Good morning. It is Monday. Kind of cold. Had to wear this coat because I'm wearing a suit because I have a meeting in the afternoon with all the teachers. Pretty exciting. Today I'm just doing 2 5th grade classes. One of them I can't do. And I don't have a lesson plan for them because the teacher plans them. Let's get going. Made it to the bus. Empty bus. So we're out here in Mito Station. I actually went to McDonald's and grabbed some shrimp fillet because it's amazing. I don't get to eat it as much now because I cook at home. Not that it's been a long time. It's only been like a week since I last had McDonald's. Just waiting for like about 10 minutes for the bus. Yep. I feel like no one's ever really walking around this area, like by the city hall. So it's kind of a nice walk every time around here. I think it's about like a 7-minute walk to the research center where we're gonna have our monthly meeting. All right, let's go. Whoop.
Mixed up. So first you mix it.
I wanted him to throw it all on there without mixing.
And mix it.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
We're documenting your progress.
Oh, there's a spoon right there.
Oh boy, exciting.
Everything out of the bowl.
So good.
Hey, that looks really good actually.
That's like not a bad.
That actually has a nice shape to it.
Nice
Yeah.
color too.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't want to come into my house.
Sorry,
Yo, you're...
okay, you're school.
Yeah.
Alright, Garrett. Now you gotta split it into 5.
And I'm back home. That was really fun. And there were 8 other people who joined me. They basically were like, let's go eat some Okonomiyaki. So we go and got some. It was really good. 3 of them had cars. So my other 2 neighbors, we all perfectly fit into one of the cars. I just smelled like smoke. Yeah, we even had some monjayaki. Also really cool. It snowed today. Oh, and yeah, one of the teachers, super nice. You know who you are. He had a bunch of like mugs, bowls, glasses, little plates that he was getting rid of. He was just like, hey, if you guys want some. So look at this cool plate. It's so cool. A mug. This is a Coca-Cola glass. 2012 Olympics from London. Finally got to throw away my plastic recyclables. I had a bunch because they were like packaging and stuff for like new boxes. They only take them like twice a month, so I can't build up too much of it. Yo! So I got out like about 10 minutes later than I should have. I know that the research center, they want us to leave right on time because it's a liability issue. We don't get paid overtime. But one of the English senseis, she was talking to me as we were talking about the lesson plan for tomorrow. We had finished the book for the 3rd grade and I basically created my own lesson plan, which introduces the word why and how to answer it using adjectives. In the book, they have basically done all of like the major questions except for where, and they didn't go through why. Why? I don't know. They think that there's not enough time. Second thing, why? I think it's logic. You know, that's how we learn, like curiosity, like why? Why does it work this way? So I think it's a very important question word to know how to use. And so I'm gonna introduce the word because, and then also make their adjective bank, like just expand it. And I think that I really want to challenge a student every class instead of just like regurgitating the same thing over and over for like 3 extra weeks. I'd rather they have a difficult time while having fun. That way, by the time they do hear it, like say in middle school, everything will come crashing down on them. Vocabulary, like grammar, all these things all at the same time. They're unprepared. So if they already have heard it, at least it's a leg up compared to other elementary schools. At least that's the plan. But that ended up with me being told, oh, you need to make cards for those. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be free anyways on Friday because they have a field trip, which is also sad because they usually have a field trip in Tokyo, but because of COVID they can't go to Tokyo. And then they were like, we're gonna go to Gunma, but they were like, no, Gunma also COVID, so they're just gonna go to the neighboring town to do some amusement park stuff, which is kind of pointless. They should do like museum type stuff. Oh well. Oh, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. It's closed. Just kidding. The ATM is open. English guide. And this one takes a passbook. There's one in Family Mart in the Mito station, but it doesn't take the passbook. And I don't have a cash card yet, so I'm gonna pull out some money so I can do some grocery.
Please insert your passport.
It ate it. It's incredible.
Please wait. Your transaction is being processed. Please wait. Your transaction is being processed.
Where does it come out?
Please take all your items.
Cool. Yo, so I just ended up getting like pork. Found this guy, which is Chingen-ha? Chingen-na? I gotta look up how to actually say that. It looks like bok choy to me. And carrots. Look at how fat these carrots are. So yeah, I was really hoping that the Amazon stuff would all arrive and they're all like ready to go when I got back home. I got notification that they were out for delivery, but it's already like 5:30 p.m. They're not here yet. Not one item is here yet. And I'm suspecting it's because they're all big items. Hopefully it arrives in time so I can still try to go to the station and pick up a router because supposedly my internet works now. But for now, I'm gonna cook because I'm hungry. Let's do it. Alright, let's make some stuff. I'm gonna try to make mapo tofu again. This is top value. It's the best price. Sauce packet looking thing. Some tofu, and I believe I have the correct kind this time. I love onions, so I'm gonna put pop some onions in there. Let's put a little bit of cabbage as well. Pop the meat in. Ah! I thought there was no meat napkin. Yep. I have way too much. I will not be eating it with rice. I will be eating it by itself. Alright, let's eat some foods. Get some biru. Itadakimasu. And this time the tofu is staying together. This is really good. Turned out well. I recommend the top value mapo tofu seasoning. It's pretty good. Mapo tofu that's supposed to be for like 4 to 6 people. It's like empty. I ate it all somehow. Pretty full though. I shouldn't have eaten all of that. Package is still not here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's for me? Pop this baby open. This is a folding table. Wow. Oh yes. Perfect. So I measured it out, like the dimensions of the trash cans, and it's perfect, like under that table. Okay, yeah, plastic legs. The piece de resistance. The heating portion. That's solid enough. there's no securing it. Gravity. This is when you realize you're short. When a short table is still too tall for you. Yeah, I can slide it on the carpet. Yes. It's a chair. Okay. Now it works. I'll see you guys tomorrow.